Essay on my room in English. I have a small room. In that small room, I have many things. I have a small bookshelf. I keep my books there. I have a reading table in my room. I also have a small bed for me. I sleep there. I also have 3 dolls. I keep them in the bed. I don't have a TV in my room. I don't have a cupboard too. I hang my clothes on the pegs. My room is beautiful. It has pink color on the wall. It has 2 doors and a window. I can go to the veranda through one of the doors. I can look up sitting on my bed. My room is small but nice. I like it very much. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.